Very good morning all of you. How are you all? Very good morning. I'm sorry for late. Today I am late. I'm sorry for that. Yesterday I forgot to schedule the class and that's why I am late. I'm sorry for that. How are you everyone? Are you fine? Everything is fine? Yes. So today we will do the predicate logic. This predicate logic is very important. Predicate logic is important for your discrete math also and for your propositional logic, means your AI. In AI also it is a common topic because it is first order predicate logic. This is called first order predicate logic, and in this first order predicate logic it will be useful for the knowledge representation in AI. We are using it for the knowledge representation of AI, and that's why it is a common topic. It is mainly it is discrete math, but it is useful for the knowledge representation of AI, and that's why predicate logic is the common topic, and confirm questions are coming from here. Confirm question. Okay. Yes. Yes. So let's start without wasting time, and here I will tell you some tips and tricks. Whenever you are trying to solve the question of predicate logic, then you will be confused, because if I am showing you this type of question you will be confused. So that's why here we have to discuss on predicate logic concept wise. First of all, concept have to be clear. Okay, so let's start without wasting time. Let's start it. Here the predicate logic. Am I audible now? Yes. So actually my pen was not working. It was not working. That's why I restart the streaming again. I think now it is fine. That's why I restart the streaming again. Yeah. That's why I restart the streaming again. Sorry. Okay. Yes, now clear. Okay. So here the quantification problem. Here main thing is there when we are doing universal quantification and existential quantification. Universal and existential. When we should use for all, when we should use there exist, and when we should use and when we should use this symbol, that is implication symbol. When to use if then and when to use implication here means and, that is confusing, and when here only students are doing mistake. Whenever questions are coming you are doing mistake here, and that's why very carefully listen to me first. After that I will do the question, but if you are able to remember the trick, then you will never forget. Then there will be no problem to solve this question. Otherwise 100% confirm you will get a problem to solve the predicate logic questions. Okay, everyone concentrate and listen to me first, then I am going to ask you question. So here whenever everything is true, all are true, for all means in a set of domain everyone is true, that is called for all. And always whenever you are using for all there exist, it should be a domain specific, like that it is true for all of the students are computer science students. Here everyone is the computer science student in the class, so the domain is in this class. Now there exist some students, those who are maybe from math. There exist some students, those who are maybe from math, is not computer science student. It can be also happen. That is called there exist. Here. Okay. So universal, how to write? There are different approach, and the keywords, remember when I will use this symbol. What are the keywords? Keywords is all of, for each, given any, for arbitrary, and for any. Sometimes the for any is creating confusion. Okay, sometimes the for any will create the confusion. You have to understand the inner meaning of the sentence, then you have to go ahead. Okay, I can use this. So you can see, for all px denotes the universal quantifier of px called the universal. Here how to do it? There exist. When we are doing there exist means any of them. There exists an element x of the domain such that px. In the px, in this class, there exists some female, there exists some male, right? So this is true for there exist. If at least for one element is also true, then we can say it is there exist. Okay. Uniqueness. Sometimes questions are coming from here also. Uniqueness means there exists a unique x such that px is true. Very unique. And then we are doing this symbol. This is the symbol of unique. There is a difference between there exist. It is only there exist, but when I am adding this explanatory symbol, then it will be uniqueness. Uniqueness means there exists exactly unique one element, then we can say it is unique. Okay, means only one elements are there. One and only one element is there, that is called uniqueness. Now, whenever I am writing for all, how to write for all? Everyone please concentrate. One sentence we can represent in different way. For every student in the class has studied calculus. If I am writing, I am coming to the example. Every student in this class has studied calculus. For every student in the class, that student has studied calculus. Another way I can represent it, for every student x in the class, x has studied calculus. So Cx is the domain here, that is x has studied calculus. If I am writing, then I can write this sentence as for all x Cx. Cx is representing here x studied calculus. I can write like this. This one only we can write in different way. That is very important. Understand it. Another approach. If I am taking a limited domain, that is Cx means studied calculus, with this one I am comparing, then we are doing with this. But if I am trying to compare with the whole world, in the world, okay, then how we can do? For every person x, if, when I am representing in if then means whenever the if then combination will be there, then it will be implies. Okay, if the person x is a student in the class, there are lots of students, right? There are lots of people in the whole world. Out of them, those who are here, those who are studying here, then x has studied calculus. Means the same thing we can represent like for all x, Sx implies Cx. Sx means x in the class, Cx means studied in class, studied calculus. That's why for all x, Sx implies Cx. It is very important, whenever you are using for all, then always remember we can represent that with the implication. With the implication we can represent it. Okay, but you cannot use here and. This same statement you cannot use like this way. With the for all you cannot use and here. Why? Because the meaning will be changed here. Because the statement meaning will say that all people are the student of the class and have studied calculus. If I am writing in this way, then the meaning is changing, and that's why you cannot use and. Remember that with the for all, and will be not there. With the for all, we will utilize the implication symbol. And this trick, if you are able to remember, most of the question will be easy to solve. Otherwise, you will get stuck. Otherwise, you will face the problem. Okay. Same way, some student in the class has visited Mexico. Some student in the class has visited Mexico. So how I can write? There exists x mx. This is one way. Another way of representation, I can write like that. There is a person. There is a person x having the properties that x is a student in the class and has visited Mexico. Here I can utilize and. Here you can see I can utilize and. Here I can represent like this. There exists x, sx and mx. There is a person who is a student of the class and who visited Mexico. So with the there exists, I can use the and. Got it? With the there exists, we can use the and. Is this clear? Is this clear? Must remember that, but here we cannot represent like implication. So these are called quantifier. Whenever we are using it, then we can do like this. For all x px, everyone for it is true. When if anyone is there, then it will be false. Okay. The negation rules are very, very important. Whenever you are using negation with the for all, negation with the for all, it is changing to there exist, and with the domain the not is coming. You can see for all x px is changing to there exist x, not px. Again, not there exist means it will be changed to for all. Okay, not for all. Here you can see the implication. This implication, how it is changing? The implication is changing like that because it is for all x, not px or qx. I can write like this. So this for all is changing to there exist, not px or qx. The negation will be changed like this way. That is, negation for all is changing with there exist. Then negation px or is changing to and negation qx. Right? So that's why you will get this answer. Very, very important, this three rule, how to change it. Is this clear? Yes. Is this clear? Questions I am coming, but this concept should be clear. After that only you can do the question. So these are the some negation rule. You can see for all x is changing to like this. There exist will be changed to like this. Here for all and there exist together, it is changing like this, and it will be changed like this. Okay. Okay. Clear? Chalo, question. Whenever I am asking question, then you are thinking, okay, it was important. Otherwise you will think, no, it is not important. Why ma'am is telling that? No need to learn. No need to learn. Now do the question. Do the question and tell me what will be the answer of this question. What will be the answer of this question? Those who are watching, if you did not click on like button, try to click it, because whenever you are clicking on like button, it is giving me the positive vibration. I am getting positive vibration with your like. The vibration is coming with the like, share, subscribe. Three buttons are there: like, share and subscribe. Must do that. Yes, option 2 is the correct answer. Very good everyone. Definitely it's option 2. Now do this one. Now do this one. Do this one. What will be the answer of this? For all px or for all this, not logically equivalent, or what will be the answer? Answer. What will be the answer? I'm not getting your chat. Bye. Yes, answers are coming. Yes, option 3 is the correct answer. S1, S2 both are correct. Definitely remember that. This is comparing with the PX domain. This is comparing with the QX domain. So I cannot add them together. PX domain is separate. It is true for all boys. This is true for all girls. Now I cannot say that it is true for boy or girls. It's not true. Here it is there exists PX and QX. It is different. These are different. I cannot combine them together. Definitely they are not equivalent. Yes, this is also true. This is also true. Right. So now to do this one. If fx equals to x is my friend and px equals to x is perfect, then correct logical translation of the statement, what it will be? Okay, answers are coming. I can see. Yes, answer will be there exists x, fx and not px. There exists x, fx and not px. Right? Because sum of my friend means there exist. Fx means they are my friend and they are not perfect. Option 2 is the correct answer. Very good everyone. Now do this one. Now do this one. There is a country that border of both India and Nepal. What will be the answer? Okay, I can see answers are coming. Very good. Vishwapriya, Meenachi, Mary, Lakshmi, all are answering. Okay. Vinita, Sri, Gomati, all are answering. So here there exists country C and border C India and border C Nepal. Here you can see that and it will be your answer. Very good everyone. Very good. Option 2, option 4 are not correct. Why option 2 is not correct, ma'am? Why option 4 is not correct, ma'am? Just now I was telling that. That's why I was telling. With the option 2 you can see with the there exist it is implication. With the there exist we will not use implication. That's why I told you with the there exist implication will be not there, because it is telling you if then. If this is a country then this is the city and all. It is not correct. That's why I told you with the there exist implication will be not there. With the there exist implication will be not there because meaning is changing here. I discussed that implication means if then. Implication means if then. Okay. Here the meaning is changing. There exists C. If it is a country C, then border of India and Nepal. Here there exists C, border of India and border of Nepal. These are not correct. Okay. Now do this. Here same question. See that this is 2018 also they asked this question. And 2021 also they asked question, only they change the name of the country and they ask the same question. They repeat 2 times. They repeat 2 times and definitely this is the answer here. So very important. Previous year's questions are very important. Now do this one. What is the correct translation of the following statement into the mathematical logic? Some real number are rational. Yes, answers are coming. Those who are telling 1, they are wrong. Those who are telling option 3, they are correct. Option 1, like option 1, those who are telling Jaya, Saranya, Kishori, Murugan, Vijayarani, then Anuradha, Vanita, Divya, you all are wrong. Those who are telling option 1, they are wrong. That's why you have to understand it. Some real number are rational. Here or, from where the or is coming. It's not or, it's and. It is not or, it is and. Some real number, there exists the real number and they are rational. Some real number are rational. There exists some number, they are real and rational both. From where you are getting or? Or is not, it is and. Remember, this is or and this is and. Don't do mistake. Okay. Those who are telling option B, they are also wrong. Like Azad and Pragati, they are also wrong. That's why I am telling with the for all. How the for all is come? Some means there exist. It's not all. All means for all. Some means that is there exist. From where the B will come? It's not correct. Got it? Okay. Now do this one. Let graph G is predicate which denote that X is a graph. Let connected X be the predicate of this, and then what will be the answer for this question? Do this. Okay, I can see the answer. Yes, the answer you are telling the option 2, no, option 4. Those who are telling that, they are wrong. They are wrong here. I can see that option 2, only everyone is giving wrong answer. B. No. It is asking you does not, which is does not represent, does not represent. It is asking you that the following first order logic does not represent the following sentence. Not every graph is connected. Not every graph is connected. Not every means not for all. Not every means I can write not for all X, graph X and connected X. That is correct. Now this not for all X, whenever I am writing that graph X implies connected X, this one only I can change like that. This is actually not for will be changed to there exist, and this one will be changed to, if I am step by step try to think, step by step try to think it, what will come here. Not for all, if I am writing this is only not for all x. This is not graphics or connected s. I can write that. Yes. Now what it will be? This there exists, this will be changed to there exists x, and negation graphics, or will be changed to and not connected. Yes. So this is meaning that yes, there exists x, not means graphics, and not connected x. Yes, just I can get from here. And here though it was already not for all x, graphics or connected x. Yes, this one. So ultimately this one and this one all are same, which does not implies, this does not implies, because here it was not every graph. Not every graph means not for all. It is telling for all graphics not connected. It is telling that graph are not connected. No, not every graph is connected. Not every graph is connected, so it is not for all. So answer will be option 4. All of you are doing mistake here with option 2. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Got it? Clear? Yes. I know that predicate logic is confusing. Is this stuck? Is this stuck? No, I think it's not, right? Okay. Now do this. Now do this. The correct formula of the sentence. What will be the correct formula? What will be the correct formula of this sentence? Do this one. Not all rainy days are cold. Not all rainy days are cold. Okay, answers are coming. Answers are coming. B, D, B, D. Those who are telling option 2. Those who are telling option 2, that is B, they are wrong. Not all. Not all means not for all. Not all means not for all. Not for all. Not for all will be changed to there exist. You are doing this one for all. It is not for all, not for all. Not all rainy days. How to represent? Not for all. D. Then rainy days implies, then it will be rainy D implies whole D. Then just imply the same way. So not for all will be changed to there exist, and this will be changed to rainy and whole. Okay, yes. Not for all is changing to there exist. Same way how I did this one. Same way how I did this one. Not for all will be changed to there exist, and it will be changed to and that's why your answer will be this one, that is option 4. Got it? Clear? Yes, those who are telling A, they are also wrong. Those who are telling B, they are also wrong. Okay, now do this one. Which one of the first order predicate calculus statement given below correctly express the following English statement here? The tiger and lion attack if they are hungry or threatened. Tiger and lions attack if they are hungry or threatened. What will be the answer? think it and do it. Okay, answers are coming. I can see 2, C, D, B, C, D. Which one is correct? B, C, D. So many answers are coming. Which one is correct? Okay. Okay, you are telling that C. Those who are telling C, they are wrong. Those who are telling D, B, they are also wrong. Those who are telling A, they are also wrong. They are also wrong. Answer is D here. It is confusing, right? Tiger and lion. It's not. Try to understand the inner meaning of the sentence. What is the inner meaning? If it is a tiger, they also attack. If it is a lion, they are also attacked. Means it is at the time of saying we are telling tiger and lion, means it is either tiger or lion. They all are going to attack you if they are hungry or threatened. It's not like that tiger and lion will be together, then only they will attack, otherwise not. You are passing through in front of a tiger. Now by watching you, tiger will call the lion, lion, come, here is a man, we can attack them. Is it like that? Tiger is there, lion is not there, then they are not going to attack you. Is it like that? No, definitely not. Is tiger also can attack, lion also can attack. It is tiger or lion. The inner meaning, logic, that's why it is logic, guys. That's why it is logic. Tiger and lion attack means it is tiger or lion together, means they can be. It is tiger also, lion also can attack if they are hungry or threatened. That's why you are telling here and is wrong, and is wrong here. Here you are telling that okay, option B, tiger or lion, that implies that you did here, that is okay, but here you use and. Here you use and. What I told with the for all, that's why I was telling you very important that with the for all. Again recall that why I was telling that you have to remember this concept. This is very important concept. I told you multiple times, but at that time you was thinking that maybe it's not required. No need to listen. Now please again remember here, whenever I am using the for all, at the time of using for all, the same symbol here, when we did that for all x cx, that is the cx here, it was the for all. The every student in the class has studied calculus. For all can be written with for all x, sx implies cx. With the for all we can do implies. For all we are using with implies, but we cannot use here and, because the meaning is changing. Remember that always with the for all and will not come. The meaning is changing because the statement says that all people are the student and they studied calculus. The meaning will be changed. With the for all, always implication will be there and will be not there. And with the there exist, same way whenever we are using there exist, then the there exist. With this there exist, whenever we wrote this there exist. There exist x mx. There are students, they visited Mexico. Then we can write with and. There exist x, sx and mx. With the there exist you can use and. With the for all you should use the implication. This is very important to remember. Otherwise this type of confusion will happen. Always happen. Got it? Apply this method, then there will be no confusion. Easily you can get the answer, but otherwise you will be confused. Is this clear? Why ma'am was telling that yes it is important, remember it. Why I was telling that? Yes, I'm not telling anything unnecessarily, guys. I'm not telling anything unnecessarily. Remember that. Remember that. That's why if you go back here, that's why now if you go back all the questions where you was confused, you can see that there is a country, India and Nepal. That's why with the there exist we use here and, not implication. Here also whenever we use the next one here, the some real number are rational, with the there exist we use and, not implication, right? Here also whenever we use that for all, with the for all you use implication, not and, right? Here it is wrong. Whenever you are using this is wrong, because it was asking does not, which does not, it was wrong here. It is does not, because here the meaning is for all x. You are writing for all x not connected, that is wrong here. Here also whenever we use the not all rainy days are cold, we use there exist with the and, we did not use the implication. Implication will not come here, that's why it was wrong. Here also whenever I am using the tiger and lion, tiger and lion means it can be tiger or it can be lion, that is okay. Whenever you are using this, that was fine, but here you cannot use the and, that is and. If they are, if means if then, if means if then, that is implication. Tiger and lion attack if they are hungry or threatened. That's why for all x, tiger or lion, it's not and, implies that they are hungry or threatened, then they are going to attack. If they are hungry or threatened, then they are going to attack. If it is a tiger or lion, then if they are hungry or threatened, then they are going to attack. This is the way how you have to divide the logic, because it is the representation of logic. Is this clear? Why not? And what I should understand how to do it? Yes, this is opposite. Attack means hungry or threatened. No, it can be in different reason. I told that P implies Q, then you cannot write it is Q implies P. They are not same. They are not same. P implies Q and Q implies P are not same. Okay, clear? You are able to relate the concept. Yes. Now do this one. Achha, this is already we did just now. Do this one. Every teacher is liked by some student, but you did not like me. Every teacher liked by some students, but some of the students are there, those who don't want to like, every time they are dislike. Always I am getting 1 or 2 dislike in whatever class, whatever, because they have some problem. So if you want to dislike, you can dislike, but whatever you want, try to click like, share, subscribe. This 3 button is very important. Whenever you are coming to YouTube, this 3 button is important. That is like, share and subscribe. Must do it. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Everyone? Yes. Here you are telling now option A, but that is wrong. Now you are telling option A, that is wrong here. Yes, now option A is wrong. Here, very carefully. Here you are using option A. Here you are using there exist. Here you are using implication. How? Just now I told. There are 2 things. Every teacher is liked by the student. Every teacher means for all teacher. For all teacher. That is teacher X. So with the for all, I will use implication. That is correct. But some student here to there exist. Here is for all, but some student here to there exist. So that's why for all, with that I use implication. That was correct. But there exists some student, because some student, that is some student y, like by some student. How to represent the like by? That is yx. Yx means y are the student, like by, x is like by y, teacher is like by student. And here too there exist, with the there exist, can I use implication? Here with the for all implication was correct, but with the there exist you are using implication. Is it correct? That is the meaning if then. They are student and they are like the teacher. That's why here will be and, not the implication. Got it? Those who are telling A they are wrong and why it is wrong. With the for all, here there are two part of the sentence. Here you are comparing with the for all, and here in this part it is actually P implies Q like that, and after that in the Q, this P implies Q was there with the for all, but in the Q there exists. So for that there exist we will use and, right? Yes. If then for here two parts are there. First part is for all. It is like that, for all P implies Q. It's okay with the for all. But in the Q part there exist part is there. In the Q part there exists y, that is some student. So some student, whenever you are comparing, then you have to use and y implication. Got it? Jaya Lakshmi, this is very much confusing, and only one way, I am telling you, only one way is there to come out from the confusion. Check very carefully where I am using for all, where I am using there exist. With the for all I should use implication, with the there exist I should use and. After a long time of research with this topic, when I was also getting confused, then I came to this solution. Okay, if we are trying to think like this way, then most of the time you will get the correct answer, otherwise you will be confused. Got it? In meaning of the sentence, understand it, where I am using for all, where I am using there exist, and what to do, what not to do. Is this clear? Clear to everyone? Those who was telling A why it is wrong? Because here this implication is with there exist, right? With there exist I cannot use it. Got it? Got it? Yes. Now do this. Now do this. Some boys in the class are taller than all girls. Some boys in the class are taller than all girls. Everyone must be connected with our Telegram channel. Everyone be connected with our Telegram channel to get all the update of the class. Sometimes you are telling that I am not getting link and all, because every time I am not able to send the link to everyone separately in WhatsApp. That will be very much problematic. So that's why very important, everyone please join the Telegram channel and connected with us with the Telegram channel. That will be better for everyone, because in Telegram definitely I am posting all the updates and everything. So some days in the class are taller, some boys, it is given taller xy is true if x is taller than y. That was given, right? So definitely some boys, that is there exist boys. And here again there were two part. One was there exist part, another was for all part. So with the there exist part we should use and with the for all part we should use implication. This trick is applying, right? If you are, those who are able to apply that trick, they are able to get the correct answer. See that? Yes or no? Yes, right. Some boys that is there exist in the class are taller than all girls. So here I have to use there exist, here I have to use for all. So that's why with the there exist we can use here the and with this for all we are using here the implication. With this trick it is working, right? With this trick you are able to find out the correct answer, right? So trick is also important. How to relate, then there will be no confusion. Yes, right. तो डबल लाइक तो मिलना चाहिए ना. Yes, so in your from your home you can do everything that in your home, in your family member, all mobile you can subscribe and you can click on like. That is so you can do. You can increase subscriber. You can increase subscriber from all of your family member phone, all of your friends phone. Share them and tell them to subscribe, so you can increase the subscriber and you can use the like also. Try to increase the family of Unified Study as much as possible. Try to increase the family. In your family there are so many phones, they are using phones. You can do it. Help me to help you everyone. Increase this Unified Study family as much as possible. Do it as much as possible. Try to do it. You can do it. Now do this one. Now do this one. Gold and silver ornaments are precious. Till now 61. Like, arey yaar. I wake up morning, I come to class. Huh? But still. What will be the answer now? Tell me what will be the answer. Acha, you are telling now. Yes, now you understand that. Yes, for all it will be or. Right. Either or neither it is gold or it is silver. Gold and silver. Either it is gold or silver, they are precious. Either it is gold or silver, that is for all x. Gold x or silver, they are precious. Good, everyone. Again, who is telling? Sindhu again you are telling B. Just now I told that the tiger and lion. I told you the story of tiger and lion. This type of question, don't do the mistake. Here and not. Gold and silver. If you are telling the two things together, gold and silver, no, it can be gold or silver. If you are going to buy gold, that is also precious. If you are going to buy silver, that is also precious. It's not like that when you are taking gold and silver together, then only it is precious. Is it like that? You are going to market and you are taking gold, it is not precious. When you are taking them together, then only it is precious. No, either gold or silver, they are precious. That is the meaning. We are telling this, but the inner meaning is this. Inner meaning is the gold or silver, they are precious. Got it? Clear? Very good, everyone. Very good. So here you can see that 1 to 1, how to represent. 1 to 1 means injective, as I told. So injective we can represent like this way, there exist and all. Here a subjective, whenever we are doing subjective. Injective we can represent like this way. Subjective means on to. In our function we learn injective, surjective means set and relation. When it was going on set, relation, function, at that time we learned that how to represent injective, how to represent surjective also, right? Yes. Change the option, ma'am. What option? What option? Sindhu, what option I have to change? Okay, so here you can see the question on matching constant injective and surjective. Constant injective and surjective. Answer. Okay, here the answer is option 4. Option 1, those who are telling they are wrong. That's why. See that it is constant definitely. For all x, fx equals to k. K is a constant very clearly. So definitely C will be with 1. Those who are telling this they are wrong. C will 3. No. Constant means k is here. That is easily you can understand k is here. That will be a constant. And now you can see that what is injective, what is surjective. Injective means, just now I told you, the injective means 1 to 1. If each element of the codomain map to the at most one element of the domain, that is called injective, means 1 to 1. Surjective means if each element of the domain map to by at least one element of the domain, then we can say that is surjective, that is on to. So injective we can write like this way, for all, and here it is writing like for all there exists x fx in this way, right? Yes, so that's why here your answer will be what? That this one for all, that will be injective, and this one for all there exist, that is your surjective, right? Yes, clear. Okay, every concept are together, every concept will mix together. Now do this one. PQRS represent the following proposition. This is the proposition given here, and from this proposition you have to do the answer. Achha, those who did not fill the form of gate must fill the form of gate also, because whatever you are doing preparation, with the same preparation you can crack gate also, because in each and every subject whatever you are learning here, same subjects are there in gate computer science. 30 is the last date, right? Say here today also whatever question you did, so many question was I took from gate, so many question. UGC NET and GATE also I am trying to cover, and I am asking some different question to you. So that's why everyone must try to fill the GATE form also. 30th September is the last date for the GATE form fill up. If you are able to crack the GATE, it will be good for you. It will be good for you. You can start your MTech also, because those who are only MCA, I will suggest them definitely prepare yourself for PhD. Definitely either MTech or PhD, any one of them, try to do it. Okay, that is yes. What use of GATE exam? That is I am telling those who are only MCA. Those who are only MCA, if you want to get a good job in the private colleges also, after clearing NET, you will face the difficulty here. Maybe you can face because of MCA. Maybe you can face this difficulty. That's why I will suggest you try to, because with the same preparation you can do it. So that's why if you are able to get a rank in GATE, then if you are able to enroll yourself in MTech, and you are getting stipend here also, more than 12,000 K stipend you are getting here for doing MTech, and through the gate you can enroll yourself for PhD also. So many universities are there, especially those who are NIT, IITs and all. They are taking from the gate. PhD enrollment can be done through the gate also. And you are getting stipend here for gate also, more near about 40k. For PhD also you are getting stipend near about 40k. Most of the central universities are telling that either JRF, Central University, IITs, either JRF or GATE. These are two options are there. They are giving these options. If you have JRF, then also you can get the stipend. If you have GATE, then also you can get the stipend. Okay, then also you can get the stipend. That's why I am telling you, definitely prepare for NET, try to apply for NET, definitely clear the NET as assistant professor. With that apply for GATE also, and with that apply for PhD entrance also. Apply for PhD entrance also. Some of you will suffer that problem. You will suffer that problem after clearing NET. You may suffer. That's why try to increase your degree. Degree is very important. If you are, what will be happen? If you are MTech, then MTech people will get the salary of maybe more than near about more than 50k salary you can expect after CUT. Yes, you can. For CUET also same. CUET also PhD entrance. CUET PhD entrance, you are right asking, right? CUET same questions are there. CUET PhD entrance also from this same you can do, from this same class. Central Universities PhD entrance, whatever going on, same question, same concept, same topics are there. Same topics are there definitely. Who done their MCA before 2010 also only eligible to teach BTech college, ma'am. A few clause is came. Yeah, that is a big problem. That's why there is a problem for BTech people and all. So for MCA there is a problem. So try to do. I think through GATE, if you crack the GATE, then you can do the MTech maybe. Try to do it, and through the GATE, nor if they are not allowing you to do the MTech, then you can do PhD. Then you can do PhD also. Okay, okay. Yes. So here the answer will be 11. Definitely answer is 11. Why? Because P is given here. Now X is a composite number. Composite number means what? You can represent in the form of multiplication of two numbers. So 9 is a composite number because 9 you can represent like 3 cross 3. That's why 9 is a composite number, right? Here 8 is a composite number. Yes, 8 is the composite number. 4 cross 2. 10 is the composite number. Yes, because 5 cross 2. 11 is composite number. No. 12 is a composite number. Yes, because 6 cross 2 I can do. X is a perfect square. X is a perfect square means where you can do in a form of square. 3 square, that is 9. Is there any other perfect square? Is there any other perfect square? Is there any other perfect square? No. No other, only 9. X is a prime number. Prime number, what is the prime number? Here prime number is 11. Is there any other prime number? Other than 11, is there any other prime number? 8 not, 9, 9 is it a prime? No. 10 is it a prime? No. 11 no. 12 no. So now you can see, now represent here. So P implies Q. Here what it was? Not, negation, P implies Q, and or R or S. Okay, yes. So now see that P implies Q, where P and Q both are same. You can see 9, 8, 10, 11, 10 and 12, they are same here according to P implies Q. Means I can do here 8, 9, 10, 12. And not R or not S, and not R or not S. Not R. Not R means is excluding 9. Excluding 9 I have to take. So 8, 10, 11 and 12. Or not S. Not S means exclude the 11. So here it is 8, 9, 10 and 12. That is I can do. Yes. Now what I will see? Here it is negation. Then it is 8, 9, 10, 12. And from here or means all are coming here. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Everyone is coming here. Now from here and means only the common, or means union, and means intersection, only the common, right? Or means together I will take, and means I will take only the intersection, that is only the common part. So what is my common part here? 8 is common, 9 common, 10 common and 12 common between them. 8, 9, 10 and 12 common them. Now I have to do negation. So negation means what? Only 11. 8, 9, 10, 12 negation. Not 8, 9, 10, 12. Only left is what? 11. That's why answer will be 11 here. Clear? Yes. Is this clear? Okay. Net, see that, see, don't be confused. Here I am, whatever I was telling you, try to understand it. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? I am telling you what it is, what will be the benefit and what it is, I am telling you, because this is also important to understand your path, in which path you should go. Definitely you can utilize the time. The utilization of time is very, very important. See, those who are MCA, before that you did BSc math or something, whatever, ultimately net eligibility is your masters should be there in computer science. Okay, master in computer science, MCA, MTech, whatever you are eligible for net. And the 50% marks and eligibility criteria, whatever there, you are eligible for NEET. That is not a problem. Problem is not there. But the problem is where, because I am also MCA, that's why I am telling you. Problem is where with MCA plus NET, whenever you will try to apply for the colleges, then they will offer you salary like 30 to 35k, not more than that. They are not giving more than that. If it is a government university, through the government recruitment, if it is going on, then definitely your salary will be more than 75k. Then only if it is a government recruitment, because as per government rule, if you are getting, then you will get the salary. And nowadays government recruitment is going on through the PSC, assistant professor recruitment, degree lecturer recruitment, like that. But after clearing NET, whenever, because the computer science people have two options, we can go to government colleges also, we can go to the BTech and MCA and engineering colleges also, right? So if you want to increase your salary, NET qualified, you are eligible for NET, you are qualified, that is okay, everything is okay. Don't be demotivated. I am telling you the ultimate thing, what is going on in market, I am telling you that. Okay. If with this you have MTech also, or you have PhD. Okay. Either you have MTech. If you have MTech, if you are applying for private colleges, engineering colleges, then more than 60k you can expect. With NET, MTech you can expect more than 60k. If you have PhD with NET and all, then to definitely more than 1 lakh salary you can expect. More than 1 lakh salary you can expect if you have PhD. These are the levels of salary That's why the degree is important. NET, you are qualified as assistant professor, you can get the job definitely. But in the same time, whenever you are preparing, in the same time, because at this preparation time, try to apply for GATE also, try to apply for PhD entrance also. Definitely apply for PhD entrance and GATE also, because don't waste your time. It will be happen that after clearing NET, whenever you are going, then you will be able to understand these are the problems that I am facing. Now again you have to think. It is better that as you are preparing now, at that same time, if you are applying for those exams, and if you are able to crack, if you are able to enroll, the best thing is that try to enroll yourself for PhD. That is the best thing. Those who are the MCA people, try to enroll for PhD and do your PhD, then definitely crack the NET and all. Then you are getting more than 1 lakh salary. More than 1 lakh salary is waiting for you if you are doing PhD. Otherwise your salary will be within this. You will get the job, definitely you will get the job, but that is a problem. Or otherwise, if you want to get more than 50 to 75k salary, then through the government recruitment, like PSC recruitment, assistant professor recruitment, through that recruitment, again you have to apply for that, again you have to crack those exams, and according to the government recruitment, you can get this salary. Okay. Okay. Who told that for NET no PhD entrance? I give PhD entrance. It's not like that. Who told you? Who told you? I am telling, I know everything, that's why I am telling you. Most of the universities, some of the universities are taking only NET. If you are NET qualified, they will directly take you for PhD. But most of the good universities are taking separate entrance exam. If you are NET qualified also, they will take separate entrance exam. For that you have to crack that separate entrance exam, then only you will be able to enroll yourself in PhD. I am telling you the truth, it is the reality of the market. Some of the state universities are taking. If you have JRF, then no need to go for entrance. If you have JRF, then no need to go for entrance, but you have to crack the interview process. Also. Okay. And GATE, through the GATE also you can enroll yourself in PhD in central universities, IITs, NITs. Good universities are there. They are taking through the GATE also. So why we will waste your time? With the same preparation, when you are able to apply for this all job, why not? That's why I am telling, don't waste your time. You are preparing, apply everywhere, try to attempt all the exam and try to start. Don't focus on only NET. Yes, NET is important. NET you will do. With the same preparation, crack this exam also. Got it? Okay. Do you have validity? Validity of GATE exam is there, I think 2 years or something. Validity is there. Okay. Yes. Hyderabad Central University entrance is there. I personally attempt the Hyderabad Central University entrance this year only. I cracked the entrance also. You have to attempt the entrance. If you have JRF, then no need to attempt the entrance. Otherwise, you have to attempt the entrance. Okay. If you have JRF, then no need to do. For JRF, you are getting 40 marks for entrance. You are getting 40 marks for entrance. You no need to do. But if you don't have JRF, then you have to attempt. Okay, got it? That's why this is important. Don't try to restrict yourself. Rather than that, try to explore yourself as much as possible. I hope your understanding is clear. Right? Your understanding is clear? Yes. So now do this one. Now do this one. Which one of the well-formed formula in predicate calculus is not valid? Normally PhD entrants are also coming, form are also coming in the month of March and in the month of August or September, because that is also same June session and December session. PhD entrants also have two sessions, June and December. Normally they are giving form at that time. What will be the answer? Which of the following well-formed formula predicate calculus is not valid? Yes, so here your answer is option D, not option B. What are not same? It is asking you what are not same. When I am doing for all x, px or qx, I cannot separate them, right? I cannot separate them. That is, it is true for all. It is either px or qx. This is true either they are male or they are female. In the class either they are male or they are female. So in this class all are male, all are female, I can't do it. But here there exists px, that is some of the students are they are male or some of the students are they are female. So some of the students in the class are male or female. Yes, I can do that. Some of the students are males or some of the students are female. Now here some of the students are either male or female. That is I can do. But here this is I can't do. So option D is wrong here. Option D is not valid here. But option B is valid here. Understand it. Very carefully understand it. And write down in your notebook. This is we can do. But this is we cannot do. Okay. Got it? Acha. Now do this one. To this one, which one of the following well-formed formula in this tautology? Is a tautology? Is a tautology? Okay, yes, C is the correct answer, because tautology means what are exactly same. What are exactly same. This one I can represent like this way. That is exactly same. They are same. That's why they are tautology. Okay. Yes. These are the way you have to do. You have to solve the predicate logic. This is the way you have to solve. And you have to prepare yourself. I hope your concept is clear on predicate logic. And now we have to start the new subject. Tomorrow I will take the class on predicate, permutation, combination and probability. One class I will take only for that. After that we will move to the next unit, because we have to cover other units also. Okay, only one class I will take for probability and all. Then I will move to next unit to cover the next unit, and today evening also we will start the new unit. Okay, so 6:30 p.m. we will meet again, and tomorrow also class will be there. And those who are interested to download the PDF and all, those who want to download PDF, want to do the questions, There is the same crash course is available in our app. You can see the crash course is available in the app, and 999 rupees if you are enrolling yourself. Then all this PDF, folder wise PDF and topic you will get there. You will get there if you are enrolling yourself. Okay, whatever class is going on, I am uploading those PDF in that course. You can download it if you want. Then you can enroll yourself in Unify Study app. Unify Study app is there. There you can enroll yourself. Okay, bye everyone. See you again evening 6:30 p.m.